Hello, welcome to the CEO DG and La YouTube channel. Hello, welcome to the CEO DG and La YouTube channel.
Learn general knowledge 5 question answers daily for 3rd October 2021. Here I am going to start today's Amazon's amazing 5 quiz questions. Here you can see the main page of the Amazon, and from there to home page, and here you can see some categories. I am clicking on programs and features, and you can find some subcategories here. I am clicking on Fun Zone, where we find daily quiz questions. Fun Zone page opened, win prize every day, and searching for today's quiz questions here. So here is today's quiz time related image. Answer and win. Now running 24 hours daily, starts at 12 a.m. New prizes every day. So I am going to start by clicking on play now button. So daily quiz time, answer all 5 questions. Enter the lucky draw to win the prize by answering all 5 questions correctly. Chance to win Amazon Pay 30,000 rupees. So if 5 questions correct, then only there is a chance to enter the lucky draw and also chance to win today's amount, that is 30,000 rupees. So I am going to start by clicking on start button. Here is the most awaiting the first question. Narali Purnima. Narali Purnima, an important festival in the coastal regions of India, is also known by which of these names? Repeating the question. Narali Purnima, an important festival in the coastal regions of India, is also known by which of these names? Here the options are Banana Day, Coconut Day, Apple Day, Orange Day. Which day you are guessing? I am adding some more info. Before that, whenever you see all 5 questions and options, guess any one answer, and after completion of that, check how many questions were right and wrong. Like that you can test your learning skills daily. Narali Purnima is a ceremonial day observed by Hindu fishing communities in Maharashtra. So, this is observed by Hindu fishing communities in Maharashtra, India, particularly around Mumbai and the Konkan coast. It is held on the full moon day of the Hindu month of Shravana, which falls around July or August. On this day, offerings such as rice, flowers, and coconuts are as offered to Lord Varuna, the god of ocean and waters. Another ceremony involves women tying a rakhi or amulet on the wrists of their brothers. So, as per the question, the correct option is the second one, that is Coconut Day. Narali Purnima, an important festival in the coastal regions of India, is also known by Coconut Day. So I am clicking on second option, Coconut Day. I think you guessed the same. Keep it up came here. And now moving to the second question. It is related to the present pandemic condition. Corbevax is the name of a COVID-19 vaccine that was developed by which pharmaceutical firm? Repeating the question. Corbevax is the name of a COVID-19 vaccine that was developed by which pharmaceutical firm? Here the options are Biocon, Bharat Biotech, Biological E, Ranbaxy. Which one you are guessing? Here I am adding some more info. Corbevax or Bio E. that means biological E, COVID-19, is a COVID-19 vaccine candidate developed by Indian biopharmaceutical firm Biological E Limited. In short, it is BioE. The Baylor College of Medicine in Houston, United States, and American company Dynavax Technologies, DVAX. It is a protein subunit vaccine. In April 2021, the US International Development Finance Corporation (DFC) announced that it would fund the expansion of BioE's manufacturing capabilities so that it could produce at least 1 billion doses by end of 2021. So, as per the question, the correct option is the third one, that is biological E. Corbevax is the name of a COVID-19 vaccine that was developed by Biological E pharmaceutical firm. So I am clicking on the third option, Biological E. So the slide came here. Now moving to the third question. The men's 200 meters at the Tokyo Olympics was won by a sprinter from which country? Repeating the question. The men's 200 meters at the Tokyo Olympics was won by a sprinter from which country? Here the options are Australia, Italy, Canada, USA. Which one you are guessing? I am adding some more info. The men's 200 meters event at the 2020 Summer Olympics took place on 3rd and 4th August 2021 at the Olympic Stadium. 48 athletes from 33 nations competed, including 5 universality places. De Grassi, D-E-D-G-R-A-S-S-E, De Grassi went on to win the gold medal in the 200 meters final in a personal best and a Canadian record time of 19.62 seconds, making him the 8th fastest of all time over 200 meters. This was Canada's first track gold medal since 1996 and first gold medal in the 200 meters since Percy Williams' victory in 1928. De Grassi was the only male sprinter to compete in both the 100 meters and 200 meter races in Tokyo. That is also a great record till now. So as per the question, the correct option is the third one, that is Canada. The men's 200 meters at the Tokyo Olympics was won by a sprinter from Canada country. So I am clicking on third option, Canada. So that slide came here. Now moving to the fourth question. It is a feast to the car lovers, those who likes different cars. So this is the Evo, a famous car model from which brand? It looks very cute and amazing and very stunning also, very beautiful. This is the Evo, a famous car model from which brand? So here the options are Porsche, Bugatti, Chevrolet or Chevrolet, Lamborghini. Which one you are guessing? Look at the image. So I am adding some more info. Automobili Lamborghini SPA is an Italian brand and manufacturer of luxury sports cars and SUVs based in Saint Agata, Bolognese. The company is owned by the Volkswagen Group through its subsidiary Audi. Do you know Ferruccio Lamborghini, an Italian manufacturing magnate, founded Automobili Ferruccio Lamborghini SPA in 1963 to compete with the Ferrari. The Lamborghini Huracan, Spanish for hurricane, is a sport car. The LP 610-4 destination comes from the car having a 610 metric horsepower and a four-wheel drive, while LP stands for longitudinale posterior, which refers to the longitudinal mid-rear engine position. The Huracan's name, Huracan being the Spanish word for a hurricane, is inspired by a Spanish fighting bull. Names from historical Spanish fighting bulls has been the traditional naming scheme of most Lamborghini car models. Huracan was a bull known for its courage that fought in 1879. So, as per the question, the correct option is the fourth one, that is the Lamborghini. So, this is the Evo, a famous car model from Lamborghini brand. So, I am clicking on the fourth one, Lamborghini. I think you guessed the same. So, superb, you seem to be a champion came here. Now, moving to the last image. And our final question, that is fifth one. This is the recreation of a fight between two famous Marvel characters seen in which movie? Look at the image. This is the recreation of a fight between two famous Marvel characters seen in which movie? Here the options are Doctor Strange, Avengers Endgame, Civil War, Avengers Age of Ultron. Which one you are guessing? I am adding some more info. Captain America Civil War. Captain America Civil War is a 2016 American superhero film based on the Marvel Comics character Captain America, produced by Marvel Studios and distributed by Walt Disney Studios Motion Pictures. It is the sequel to Captain America, the Fight Avenger, that is released in 2011, and Captain America, the Winter Soldier, released in 2014, and the 13th film in the Marvel Cinematic Universe. The film was directed by Anthony and Joe Russo from a screenplay by the writing team of Christopher Marcus and Stephen McFeely. So, as per the question, the correct option is the third one, that is Civil War. This is the recreation of a fight between two famous Marvel characters seen in Captain America Civil War. So, I am clicking on the third option, Civil War. So, bang on came here. Today's 5 out of 5 questions correct. You can see as appreciation, well done came here. You are eligible for a lucky draw in this contest, Amazon Pay, rupees 30,000. You can check the winners list on 4th October 2021. Keep learning with your rocking qualities. Enhance your learning skills daily. Thank you and have a nice day.
Dhanyavad. Thank you. If you like this video, do like, subscribe and share. See you in the next one. Bye bye.